Hi everybody, I'm Sean Palis of ProSymmetry, and today I'm going to show you how Tempus Insight Plus helps you tell better stories through your executive dashboards. So from the Tempus homepage, I'm going to browse to Tempus Insight Plus. This will take us to our overview screen from which we can access all of our previously created reports. Now, before we add these to dashboards, or even after they've been added to dashboards, we might want to identify a better way to display our data to tell a better story through our dashboards. Tempus Insight Plus will allow you to do that by first opening any individual report and then by selecting this report recommendation or chart picker option. Now, based on the report type you're using, Insight Plus will return a range of different displays that fit the data structure of your report. Notice in this case, I've started with a donut style report, and as a result, Tempus Insight Plus is recommending a range of related reports, ranging again from donut, pie, and nautilus to bar, line, curved area, funnel, tree map, word cloud, as well as filled icons as well. So this is one great example of how Tempus Insight Plus helps you to tell a better story in your reports and your executive dashboards. There's so much more to show you about Tempus and Tempus Insight Plus. Visit us at prosymmetry.com to learn more.